Today we are going to talk about terminology, which will be used in a lecture in renal conditions. Anuria means urine output less than 40 ml in 24 hours. Oliguria means urine output less than 400 ml but more than 40 ml in 24 hours. Dysuria means painful micturition. Frequency means increased number of time person has to go for micturition during day and night. Retention means person wants to pass urine but cannot pass urine. Hesitancy means while passing urine, person finds difficulty to pass urine and there is a prolonged time. Urgency means person has to run for micturition. Dribbling is overflow of urine in the form of drops in case of retention of urine. Nocturia means increased frequency during night. Enuresis means involuntary passing of urine during sleep. OAB means obstructive overactive bladder, which is including urgency plus frequency plus maybe with incontinence or may not be with incontinence. Residual urine means amount of urine quantity after full maturation. And residual urine will increase in case of obstruction. Incontinence means inability to hold urine. There will be two groups of urinary symptoms. Upper urinary tract symptoms including glomerular disorders, which will have proteinuria, hematuria, myoglobinuria, hemoglobinuria, turbid urine, which will be very commonly because of pyuria or passing protein, chyluria, black colored urine, glycosuria, oliguria, anuria, polyuria, nocturia, and person when he gets a damage to glomerulus can have renal hypertension, chronic anemia, which we call as a chronic anemia due to renal conditions, uremia, and there can be acid-base imbalance. Renal involvement may produce renal pain, lump in abdomen, particularly in lumbar region, swelling at the renal angle, and tenderness in the renal angle, and person can have pneumaturia, in which the person will pass urine and in between there will be passing of air bubbles. Tubular disorders will give us symptoms like oliguria, polyuria, glycosuria, cystinuria, edema, isostinuria, uremia, and may have acid-base imbalance, which we call as a renal acidosis or renal alkalosis. Lower urinary tract symptoms may be because of ureter, bladder, urethra, or prostate, which will include renal colic, dysuria, incontinence, retention of urine, hesitancy, urgency, frequency, overflow dribbling, discharge per urethra, pain in hypogastrium, pain in perianal region, pneumaturia or enuresis. We'll end here and we'll see you tomorrow.